In automated welding, precision isn't just important, it's critical. Your welds need to be precise to keep productivity high and minimize rework. When your line is running, your torch needs to deliver. The Tregaskiss Atlas Robotic ThruArm torch is built tough for automation, designed to maintain precise and repeatable welds, no matter how demanding the environment. With dependable TCP repeatability, your welds stay precise and your parts stay consistent. Its streamlined design means fewer components and intuitive maintenance, so your team spends less time troubleshooting and more time welding. Setup is quick, upkeep is simple, minimizing labor and keeping your operation moving without a hitch. Don't let your assembly line affect your bottom line. Hit your mark. Tregaskiss Atlas.